Today, let's talk about this interesting geometry question. Given that ABC is a right angle triangle where the angle A is 90 degrees, CA is 21 and CB is 35. The point D is on AB such that the angle DCB is 45 degrees. Now we are asked to find the length of AD.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
For this question, we are going to use two different approaches to get the answer. Number one is purely by the elementary property of geometry, and number two is by trigonometry. Let's talk about the first approach. Now note that 35 is equals to 5 times 7 and 21 is 3 times 7, and therefore AB will be equal to 4 times 7, that is equal to 28 by using Pythagorean's theorem. We can extend CD to point E such that CE equals to EB, and the angle CEB is 90 degrees. This is what I mean here. I extend it so that this is 90 degrees. We focus on triangle BCE, and we know that the triangle BCE is a right triangle with EB equals to EC. So this will be also 45 degrees. And because of that, then we know that EB will equal to 35 over square root of 2, again using Pythagorean's theorem. And we note that the triangle ADC is similar to the triangle EDB because angle A and angle E are both 90 degrees and both have the same angle D. Now we suppose AD is x and ED equals to kx for some k. Since AC equals to 21, then BE will equals to 21k and CD will equals to 28 minus x over k because DB is equals to 28 minus k. This is true because these two triangles are similar. So since they are similar, the ratio of the corresponding length will be always the same. In this case, I make it at 1 to k. And we need to do some calculation now. Now note that CE is equals to EB and is equals to 35 over square root 2. Then 21k is equals to 35 over square root 2, which means that k is actually equals to 5 over 3 square root 2. And also CE is equals to CD plus DE. And CE is equals to 35 over square root 2 equals CD, that is 28 minus x over k, plus DE, that is kx. We already know that k is equals to 5 over square root 2, so we can substitute k equals to this number inside the equation. I'll delete the diagram for now so that we have more space. Then I'll continue here. 35 over square root 2 is equals to 28 minus x over k, that is 5 times 3 square root 2 plus k is 5 over 3 square root 2 times x. Now we will multiply each of the terms by 15 square root 2. On the left hand side, it will be equal to 35 times 15, 18 times 28 minus x plus 25x. This will equals to 18 times 28 plus 7x. Divide everything by 7. So on the left hand side, 5 times 15 equals to 18 times 4 plus x. So x will equal to 75 minus 72, and the answer is 3. So using this method, then we know that AD is equal to 3, and therefore DB equals to 25. And this is end of the method 1. Now for method 2, we are going to use the idea of trigonometry. we will let the angle ADB to be theta, and therefore the angle ACD is theta minus 45 degree. And 21 is 3 times 7, and therefore AB is 4 times 7, that is 28 using Pythagorean theorem. Tangent theta will be just equal to 4 over 3. Now we also let AD to be x. Now when we look at the triangle ACD, and this angle will be theta minus 45 degree. Therefore, the tangent theta minus 45 degree is equal to x over 21. So x is equal to 21 times tangent theta minus 45 degree. And we know that tangent theta minus 45 degree will be tangent theta minus tangent 45 degree over 1 plus tangent theta, tangent 45 degree. Now we substitute all the value that we know of. Tangent theta equals to 4 over 3. Tangent 45 degree is 1 over 1 plus 4 over 3. And therefore this is equal to 21. And it is 1 over 7. And therefore the answer is equals to 3. So this is the second method that uses only trigonometry. That's all for today's lesson. I will see you again next time. Bye bye.